Alright guys, I know a few of you were a little confused on what the social contract was just supposed to look like. And it's not really meant to look as detailed as you would imagine. I kind of gave you a rough outline of what mine would look like, and the thing about a social contract is it's supposed to be individual for you. So you guys answered some questions and came up with some terms or phrases that should define you, and terms or phrases that you want to define you. And even if you don't stick to it all the time, but you know you want to, well, we'll work on growing those things. So here's an example of one I quickly made up just for me. And understand that a social contract for just yourself is really not how it's supposed to work, but we can make it work like that because you need to commit to what you believe in. So for myself, I'm always trying to be kind and understanding, open-minded, honest, fair, and having respect. And to me, the other word, that's not very many words. You're more than welcome to have more. But this is everything else I came up with. I could kind of wrap into a few of other ones, and that may or may not be the case for you. But the colorful nature and how this is individualized to me, that's the important part. And then you will sign. You will sign your name right below it. Okay? So that's going to be your project, and it'll be due today. All right? And then we'll touch base on Friday, and we'll just keep expanding on this idea.